Welcome everybody to my first video. I'm super excited. My name is Britney Cleary and this video is all about my do-it-yourself Mayo and Aloe hair mask. So what I'm doing right here is just cutting off the edges of the aloe vera. You guys, this hair mask really works. It really does work. It leaves your hair soft and shiny and your curl patterns will be left so defined. Like Mayo already has fatty acids. It's good for your hair because it has the egg and the vinegar, which is good if you have dandruff. Right now we're going to add our aloe vera and our lime juice to a blender. If you have a bullet, that's perfectly fine. It does the job just the same. And we're going to blend it for like 5 or 6 seconds. This is the consistency you want your aloe vera because it's still gel-like. And we're going to take 2 to 3 teaspoons of mayo to our mixture. And we're going to add some olive oil. You can judge it as you go along. I end up had to use more because I felt like it was too little bit for my thick hair. And we're just going to go ahead and stir that in to get a thick paste-like consistency.
Meanwhile,
well, mine turned out watery, but that was totally fine because it get the job done just the same. So I went ahead and I parted my hair into small sections. Right now what I'm doing is adding the mask to my scalp first and then work my way down. It is important that you get it on the scalp because it's good for getting rid of buildup such as the oils, the gels, everything, to get it off. I'm going to twist my hair and put it in a shiny bump. I did this for all sections of my hair, and it's a process that will take like 30 minutes. So if you have a movie to watch, a series to watch, or to listen to music, that's totally fine. As you can see here, I was clearly jamming to some music, which made the process felt so much shorter. So I went ahead and I did that to all of my hair. Guys, let's just take a second to look how defined my curls are. And I just applied this. Like, look at it. Sis, look at it. Like, it is so defined. So I went back in with the leftover product and I reapplied it to my scalp. So now I take my shower curtain and I added it to my hair. I'm going to let it stay for about 30 minutes, then I wash it out. So here's the finished product after I rinsed it out with my shampoo and my conditioner. Guys, I didn't even add oil to it, and trust me, it was super shiny, it was super soft, and I really loved it. Like, it's something that I'm going to do every month to my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.